Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 12 NCERT Accounts Part 1, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Partnership. In that, short sum that is already given in the textbook exercise. So let us move for the third sum which is given in the exercise question 3rd. Vismay, Abhijit and Kunal are the partners sharing profit and loss proportion of 3:2:4. Means क्वेश्चन में 3 पार्टनर दिए गए हुए हैं और उनका प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस प्रपोर्शन है 3:2:4. नेक्स्ट, मैनेजर इज टू बी पेड 10% कमीशन ऑन प्रॉफिट आफ्टर डिडक्शन ऑफ ए शेयर. मीन्स हमको मैनेजर को 10% प्रॉफिट देना है जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा फर्म का उसके ऊपर. द शेयर ऑफ द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द अभिजीत इज 30,000. फाइंड मैनेजर कमीशन. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग that if we want to find the manager commission, first of all we have to find the total profit of the firm. In the question, total profit is not given, only the share of Abhijit is given. So first of all we will find the total profit of the firm. So how we will find the total profit of the firm? So in the question, 2 things related to Abhijit is given. That is the share for Abhijit, that is 2. Okay. And profit sharing share is also given 30,000. So with the help of these 2 instructions, we will find the total profit of the firm. So how we will make the equation? Let us see. If the share of Abhijit is 2, that is given in the profit sharing ratio 2. Okay. If the share of Abhijit is 2, then profit of the Abhijit is 30,000. That is also given in the sum. So if the share of all partner is 9, how does 9 come? Add all the proportion. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So if the share of all partner is 9, then how much? Again I am speaking the equation. If the share of Abhijit is 2, then profit of the Abhijit is 30,000. If the share of all partner is 9, then how much? So let us see the calculation for the equation. So 9 multiplied by 30,000. Okay. 9 multiplied by 30,000 divided by 2. So in this way 1,35,000 profit of the firm will be ready. Okay. Now on this profit, this is the total profit of the firm for all the 3 partners. Okay. So from this answer we will get the manager commission 10%. So 10% of profit of the firm, that is 1,35,000. Calculate on the Calci 1,35,000 10%. So we will get 13,500 as a manager commission. So in this way we will calculate the manager commission. One thing remember that manager commission always find on total profit of the firm. Okay. So this is the sum number 3, question 3rd.